Are you tired of lugging around heavy suitcases and struggling with overpacked bags every time you travel? Do you dream of mastering the art of traveling light while still looking effortlessly stylish? Revolutionize your packing game with our aesthetic packing hacks. Whether you're jetting off to exotic destinations or simply hitting the road for a weekend getaway, these tips and tricks will help you streamline your luggage, minimize stress, and maximize your travel experience. Embarking on a journey, whether it's for a weekend getaway or an extended vacation, brings a sense of excitement and anticipation. However, the thought of packing can often dampen that enthusiasm, especially when faced with the daunting task of fitting everything into a suitcase. But fear not, because mastering the art of light and efficient packing is not only possible, but also incredibly liberating. Imagine being able to navigate through airports and train stations with ease, effortlessly lifting your luggage into overhead compartments or carrying it up a flight of stairs without breaking a sweat. Picture arriving at your destination feeling refreshed and unencumbered by the weight of unnecessary belongings. With the right approach, packing light can become second nature, allowing you to focus on the experiences that lie ahead. Creating a checklist is a crucial step in the packing process, ensuring that you don't forget any essential items for your trip. Whether you're embarking on an adventurous journey or a leisurely vacation, having a comprehensive list of everything you need will help you stay organized and prepared. Once you have your checklist ready, it's time to set up a staging zone for your packing. Spread out all the items you plan to take on a table or a clean surface, creating a visual inventory of your gear. This staging area allows you to practice packing, refining your packing technique, and ensuring that you only pack the items you truly need for your trip. The key to successful packing lies in careful planning and thoughtful organization. Before you even begin to pack, take some time to create a packing checklist tailored to your specific needs. Consider factors such as the weather, the duration of your trip, and the activities you'll be engaging in. By outlining what you truly need, you'll avoid the temptation to overpack and ensure that every item serves a purpose. When it comes to selecting clothing, opt for versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched to create multiple outfits. Stick to a cohesive color palette that allows for easy coordination and choose lightweight, wrinkle-resistant fabrics that are suitable for a variety of climates. Embrace the art of rolling your clothes to save space and minimize wrinkles, and utilize packing cubes or compression bags to keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. In addition to clothing, be mindful of your toiletry selection. Instead of carrying full-size products, invest in travel-sized containers or transfer your essentials into smaller bottles. Consider using solid toiletries like shampoo bars and solid perfumes, which not only save space, but also eliminate the risk of spills and leaks. When it comes to footwear, be selective and aim to pack no more than 3 pairs. Choose shoes that are versatile and suitable for the activities you have planned, and wear your bulkiest pair during transit to free up space in your suitcase. In the digital age, there's no need to carry bulky guidebooks or printouts. Take advantage of travel apps, ebooks, and digital documents to minimize clutter and streamline your travel experience. Store important documents such as your passport, visa, and itinerary securely in cloud storage or on your phone for easy access. If you're traveling for an extended period, consider laundry options to avoid overpacking. Research accommodations that offer laundry facilities or locate nearby laundromats in advance. Alternatively, bring a small amount of laundry detergent or portable laundry soap sheets for hand washing small items. Layering is a smart strategy for maximizing your wardrobe options while packing light. Instead of packing bulky sweaters or jackets, opt for lightweight layers that can be easily combined for warmth or removed when the weather gets hot. Choose items that serve multiple purposes, such as a large scarf that can double as a blanket or a sarong that can be used as a beach cover-up. Finally, remember to leave room in your luggage for souvenirs and mementos collected during your trip. Consider packing a foldable tote bag or leaving space for additional items to avoid exceeding weight limits or struggling with overstuffed bags on your return journey. Packing light and efficiently is an art that can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress. By adopting a minimalist and organized approach, you can streamline your packing process and enjoy a hassle-free journey. Plan ahead, pack smartly, and embark on your adventure with confidence and ease. When it comes to folding your clothes, different items require different techniques. T-shirts, trousers, jeans, dresses, shorts, and pajamas can be neatly folded to maximize space in your luggage. However, jackets and blankets are best rolled to minimize wrinkles and save space. Securely tie rolled items to maintain their shape during transit. Organize your toiletries and accessories using separate zip bags or pouches, making them easily accessible when needed. Keep essential items such as chargers, earphones, passports, and documents at the top of your pack for convenience. Utilize small items like socks and scarves to fill in the gaps between larger items, providing stability and balance to your packed bag. This cementing technique helps distribute weight evenly and prevents items from shifting during travel. A go bag is a must-have for emergencies or unexpected situations. It contains essential items such as extra chargers, earphones, copies of important documents, toiletries, snacks, and a change of clothing. Keep your go bag easily accessible for quick access when needed. Shoes can be bulky and take up a lot of space in your luggage. Choose versatile pairs that can be dressed up or down, such as Chelsea boots for daytime exploring and classic stilettos for evenings out. If your trip involves different activities like hiking or beach outings, consider swapping out one pair for more appropriate footwear. A statement jacket can transform even the simplest outfit. Opt for outerwear pieces like a faux fur jacket or a classic leather jacket that can elevate your look effortlessly. These pieces are versatile enough to pair with jeans and a t-shirt during the day or dressier attire at night. Accessories can completely change the vibe of an outfit. Take inspiration from local fashion trends like a bold red lip or stacked bracelets to enhance your look. Utilize bags with detachable pouches to store extra makeup or jewelry, maximizing space and keeping everything organized. Learning to mix and match basic clothing items is key to packing light. Stick to a color palette that coordinates well, allowing you to create multiple outfits with fewer pieces. Invest in quality, versatile pieces that can be worn in different ways to maximize their potential. Pack your bag in reverse order, prioritizing items you'll need first at the top of your suitcase. This ensures that essential items are within easy reach when you arrive at your destination, minimizing the need to rummage through your luggage. To alleviate pressure on your shoulders while carrying a backpack, use the weight formula to distribute weight evenly. Pack heavier items towards the bottom of your bag, with medium-heavy items in the middle and lighter items towards the top. This balanced distribution of weight reduces strain on your shoulders and maintains stability while walking. By following these ultimate packing hacks, you'll streamline your packing process and ensure a smoother travel experience. Remember to pack less and travel more, leaving room for mementos and memories from your journey. Thank you for tuning in to our video on aesthetic packing hacks and mastering the art of traveling light. We hope you found these tips and tricks helpful in streamlining your packing process and making your travels more enjoyable.